Spinning each other out with the low kicks. Deep to the thigh, just gauging the distance is TIMUR. Oh, that left hand connected clean. Bird letting fly early doors. Missed with that one. Put plenty of power behind it. Dumps his opponent to the ground. TIMUR not able to connect with the right hand, blocks the high kick. Body kick blocked.
Nice shot there by SANGKHUM.
A wild low kick misses, but he gets it with the jab.
Yeah, he's landing that jab clean. That's 2 in a row.
Yeah, he's got a lengthy jab on him. Uses it to set up shots. Devastating effect.
Big elbow in the clinch. Another one.
Oh, lively elbows being thrown. Lovely use of the team as well. Big shots. TIMUR fishing out his own elbows.
SANGKHUM very accurate so far with the strikes. Piercing the defense of TIMUR.
Bird catches the tee. Shows a bit of dominance. Want to see more of that lengthy, sharp jab from Bird SANGKHUM. And it's a low blow. TIMUR on the receiving end.
That had to hurt. That was pretty clean. TIMUR walking it off.
Good to go. Let's crack on. Bird looking playful, rhythmic, and the clinch is often where we see these fights won and lost. The local fighters tend to have a really elite clinch game.
Oh! Big knee to the body and TIMUR goes down. I think it's done.
That's a heavy one, Chris.
Yeah, that was nasty. That was vicious. Oh, is he getting up? Yeah.
Warrior.
Oh,
Warrior.
what a warrior. He's definitely feeling that.
Bird SANGKHUM smells blood in the water. A knee to the body drops him again.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
TIMUR saying he's good to go. Let's see if SANGKHUM can finish him here.
Feints the body shot. There was another knee to the body, almost kneed him out of the ring. Another body shot with the left. Misses the elbow. That left elbow connected. Stunning work from the day.
Really showcasing.
Here we go. Sharp elbows. That left hand was a big one. And that's what left him in trouble. He followed up with a cheeky knee there. Lovely low kick. That's textbook. Was that a low shot for you? And that was the knee that dropped him. Sharp left knee. And beautiful how he throws the left hand and then follows up with the left knee. The right knee to the liver there.
It's automatic. His left hand like loads his knee as he's coming in. Nice.
Might have grazed the back of the head. Seriously.
Here we go, round 2.
Bird will be looking to put a stamp on this one. TIMUR with plenty of recovery time. The left hand lands clean.
He's been landing all night here.
High kick blocks. Switches levels to the low kick again. There's complaints of a low blow, and the referee's got his hand giving a nice check. To the family jewels of TIMUR. Look how calm Bird looks. Again, a lovely jab. Long, rangy jab to set up something more dangerous. This is the clinch where we're seeing the effective work from the Cambodian. Watch out for those elbows. The referee separates them. It's so calm. Look, picks his shot, picks the low kick, picks the left jab.
Trying to sneak the knee in to the body. And TIMUR is very aware now of those body shots. He knows all it takes to put him down again.
So calm, that kick to the body. That elbow just missed by an inch. TIMUR staying in the fight for now. Body kick. Looking for openings is Bird. Stalking his opponent. Body kick follows up with the right elbow. And he's dominant in those clinch situations. Cambodia inching forward. Right hand, left shot to the body.
Body shot there. Timur transfer one of his own. Again, both hands in the clinch.
Catches the teeth, throws the left to the body. It's a lovely shot in his arsenal. The right, the left, the right elbow. Oh! Timur with a step through elbow. Trying to counter this barrage from the Cambodian. Didn't quite gauge that one.
And SANGKHUM is stalking him right now. Pushing up against the ropes.
Left to the body again. It's a beautiful shot. Wild downward elbow from Timur.
13 seconds to go here, round 2.
Timur showing his durability with 5 seconds left. Bird using the jab well once more, then the low kick. Finishing with a body shot.
Sneaks a knee. Brazilian. And we'll see if SANGKHUM can finish it off here.
Looking like the favourite to do that, but this sport has shown us spectacular and surprising things time and time again.
Again, leading with the jab. Takes his shots real nicely, very accurate, SANGKHUM.
Timur trying to keep him at bay with the teeth to the thigh. It's going to take more than that. Combination's doing work again, the short elbow inside the clinch. For SANGKHUM. The knee to the body.
Always finishes it off with the knee after the clinch.
Nice outside low kick from Timur. The left hook's a wild one. Left to the body. Those shots add up. Body kick.
And SANGKHUM really hasn't been hit hard in this fight. He just takes the shots. I mean, he's been hit, but Timur's been getting just nails with those body shots.
Lovely level changes from those body kicks as well. Those that wear him down. Catches the teeth. Short, sharp elbows. Spinning back kick. And that was low.
That must have hurt.
But you can tell
Ouch.
Bird SANGKHUM is enjoying himself in there.
Yeah, he's enjoying himself. He's enjoying himself.
It's like a man very much where he was meant to be in life. In this incredible stage.
Great rhythm.
That jab went through. Timur fighting back on his own body shot. That might have got a bit of respect from his opponent.
Yeah, Timur has not backed down.
That one went through.
He's protecting the body shots better, countering, and he's caught SANGKHUM a couple times now.
Still up there. Timur's mouth wide open. Right elbow. That's better than the Kurds Republic fighter.
50 seconds here left on round 3.
Very playful, rhythmic.
Jump 38 and a final round.
Bà bơ ly không vậy đó. Lo bơ đó. Hùng ơi mấy đừng. Hùng ơi mấy đừng. Khiêu đi con cờ hông. Cờ hông đi khiêu. Hồi phơi xe phơi công năng phơi bùi nào. Ô. Bơ cần không. Thà bạch tay tại bạch ọt ban.
Bà
ទី 1 ថាបើមានសមត្ថភាពបែកខ្ញុំដាច់ទៅ
bà quay đua là
បែកដួលលើបាទតែភាសាបាទប្រគល់ខៀវនេះហើយ
ô bà
ម
quát
ហាស្
swat
វត្តហើយ
នេះទស្សនាភាពយឺតbà quay slam ដល់ចេញបត់កែងរបស់ទីមួកែងរបស់សឹងខឹមមកកន្លែងនេះកាច់សឹងខឹមវាយឆ្វេងថែមស្ដាំបត់កែងរបស់ទីមួអូបាទគាត់ប្រកែកចាប់មែនទេបាទសម្រាប់ទីមួនេះបាទហើយគាត់បត់បាល់អត់ទេហេបាទសឹងខឹមចូលមកមែនថាចូលទេបាទ បាទចូលប្រហែលកែរបស់ទី1ហ្នឹងគឺចង់ងេមងាមដែរបាទក៏សូមប្រកួតទូនទីបាទជូនដល់គណៈកម្មការបច្ចេកទេសបាទប្រកាសលទ្ធផលជាផ្លូវការតែម្ដងបាទសូមអរគុណកីឡាករបាទសូមអរគុណកីឡាករបង្គោលក្រហមបឺតសង្ឃឹមបាទដល់មកសាទរកីឡាករនៃប្រទេសជាតិកម្ពុជាបឺតសង្ឃឹម